Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. The weather is finally getting warm here in the Hudson Valley, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite warm weather meals. We're making my cold peanut noodle salad. I have been making a version of this peanut noodle salad I think forever, at least since Ella was a baby. It is so delicious, it's so easy to make, and it's a great crowd pleaser because you can make it ahead of time. So it's perfect for potlucks, picnics, barbecues, or just really busy Tuesday nights. So we're gonna whip up a quick and easy peanut dressing right in the food processor, toss that with spaghetti. I'm using gluten-free, but you could use regular spaghetti or even soba noodles, and then toss it with lots of spinach and red pepper, fresh mint and peanuts, some sriracha. It's just a riot of flavor and texture. This recipe is naturally vegan, and as I mentioned, you can also make it gluten-free. So this is just like a really perfect people pleaser if you're entertaining. I can't wait to show you how to make this cold peanut noodle salad, so let's head to the kitchen. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of my wholesome, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes. Let's start by cooking our noodles. You'll need 8 ounces of spaghetti. I'm using a gluten-free spaghetti, but you could use regular, whole wheat, or you could even go for soba noodles. Just stir them well so that they don't stick. Drain the noodles, rinse them in cold water, then transfer them to a bowl. I'm going to drizzle the noodles with some toasted sesame oil. This is going to prevent them from sticking and also provide a little bit more flavor. But if you don't have the toasted sesame oil, you could just use a neutral vegetable oil. All right, it's time to get started on the peanut dressing. And by the way, I usually make the dressing while the noodles cook. Plop a garlic clove into a mini food processor and just buzz that up until it's finely chopped. And then I'm adding creamy peanut butter. I'm going for natural peanut butter, but you can use what you have. Then add low sodium tamari or soy sauce, neutral vegetable oil, rice vinegar and mirin, which you can find in the Asian section of the grocery store, maple syrup, or you could go for honey if you're not vegan. And then to finish it off, I am adding some fresh lime juice and some sriracha to taste. And if you like it spicy, go big. Now just blend this until smooth, and that is the dressing, and you can absolutely make this ahead. Let's grab those cooked noodles and pour the dressing right over top, and then just toss the noodles to evenly coat in the peanut dressing. It's going to look a little bit saucy at this point, but that dressing is going to thicken up as it chills. Speaking of which, throw this in the fridge while you prep the other ingredients. I have some English cucumber that I am just thinly slicing. I'm going to add that to the chilled noodles, along with some thinly sliced red bell pepper, and a whole bunch of baby spinach. Sprinkle the top with some sliced scallions, some chopped peanuts, and some fresh mint. Oh, my mouth is watering just talking about this. Toss this all together, and this is such a vibrant salad. It's got all of the flavors, all of the textures, the brightness from the mint, the heat from the sriracha, and then the crunch from all of those veggies. This is a great meal to pack up for picnics or barbecues or potlucks, but we love to eat it as a healthy weeknight meal. That peanut butter and the peanuts provide plenty of protein, but you could always throw some chicken or shrimp kabobs alongside. And for those of you who like it spicy, don't forget the extra sriracha. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you guys like this cold peanut noodle salad. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I've included a link below to the full recipe, and I've also included a link to my website where you can find a ton of other easy weeknight meals. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.